Good morning student, welcome back in the next video of bio. You have finished the asexual reproduction, then sexual reproduction in plants. Today we will continue with the sexual reproduction in animals. Student, you know that what is fertilization? Fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes. Sperms or the male gametes or male sex cells and the ovum, which is also singular known as ova, which is known as female gamete or female sex cells, fuses together to make a single cell known as zygote, and zygote further develop into the embryo. Then there are two types of fertilization. One is external fertilization, as you can see in amphibian and fishes, and second one is the internal fertilization. You can observe this in the mammals. So external fertilization means the male of amphibian and fish usually lay down the egg. Female lay down the egg in the water and male lay down the sperms on that egg inside the water, not inside the female body. And in internal fertilization, generally the fusion or the fertilization occur inside the female body. So basic difference between external and internal fertilization is, in external fertilization occur outside the body of the female. But in internal fertilization happen inside the female body. Now student, we will discuss the male reproductive system. So I have written the points. Along with that points, we will discuss in this diagram also. So student, first of all, you know that for fertilization we need the sperms. So sperms, the male sex cells are produced in the testes. So these are the testes. There are two testes lies outside the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity means the lower portion of the body which contains the stomach and all vital organs, and it is a sac-like body. So testis is present inside the sac-like body known as the scrotum. So two testes which are lies inside the abdominal cavity, and it is inside the sac-like body that is known as the scrotum. Then students, sperm mature in the epidermis. So you can see from here, when the sperms are made, they will mature in the epidermis. So epidermis is a tube-like structure that is close above the testes. Now the sperms which are mature, they will travel through this vas deferens. The vas deferens is a long tube and it leads to the urethra, and from urethra it goes to the penis, from where the sperm is released during the intercourse. So penis, when students, you know that sperms are formed in the testes, mature in the epidermis, and then reach to the vas deferens, from vas deferens to urethra and then penis. On the way, secretion from the glands mix with the sperm and it make the semen. So you can note down the points. Sperm are the male sex cell produced in the testes. Testes are lie inside the abdominal cavity in a sac-like body. That sac-like body is known as the scrotum. For scrotum, the sperms mature in the epidermis or tube-like structure. Then sperm can travel to the vas deferens and then reaches to the urethra and then penis. On the way to sperm mixed with the secretion from the various gland, and mixture is called the semen. So again I am repeating, from testes, the sperms are made in the testes, and testes are located in the sac-like structure known as scrotum. Then the sperms mature in the epidermis. From epidermis it was released to the urethra through the vas deferens and then released in the penis. So this is the male reproductive system, and sperms have a head and a long tail. So I will show you in the diagram also, and I have made the diagram also. So this is the head region, this is a long tail. Students, during the fertilization, during the fusion, only the head part goes inside the ovum or the female sex cell, and rest of the tail reside outside the cell.